on YouTube. I'm just here to do like a first look at an unboxing and like a quick little review for the Cash Money pendant. It comes with 2 chains. One of the chains is free. One of the chains you're most definitely going to want to wear with the piece. So right now, let's just jump into it and do an unboxing. Don't mind the mess. You guys are a little behind the scenes. And yeah, let's do the unboxing. More wrapper. Here's a ShopGLD card. Authenticity and lifetime guarantee. Remember guys, this card really doesn't mean anything anymore. They do everything by your email. Nicely bubble wrapped. That is awesome. That is great. Because think, if they would have messed up this, then how would they replace it for you, right? Go and hit up Birdman. Hey, can you re-sign a bot because you sent out crappy packaging? Not gonna be able to do that. Nice sturdy box to the exact size of what I'm assuming is going to be the box it comes in. Yep, perfect size, nice and snug. There's no way that this is going to get messed up when you order it. Nice. That is nice. A little bit of lint everywhere, but that's a nice sturdy thick piece of like plexiglass. Nice and sturdy. You guys seeing that? Oh, no, not the camera, don't focus on there. You see my little janky setup. Birdman signature. Oh, look at that, pops open just like that. Nice. It's like a little record there. That's pretty awesome. So I have no idea. No idea how to take it out. Okay, so you can't take out the back, so you just open that case like that. I've seen people taking out the cards, taking out all kinds of stuff, but I'm not gonna go all crazy like that. I got a toothpick, so I'm not gonna ruin anything. There we go. It's got a nice weight to it. Here, I got my scale right beside me, so let's weigh it. This is for all my jewelry. I'm not a herb guy like some. Don't need to measure any spices. So what, 25.9 grams I believe that is? Yes sir, 25.9 grams. Nice. Let's try to get some more light on that thing for you guys. It says over 1 billion records sold. focus up top, not too bad. It's got the nice settings, so light will go through there and that'll sparkle really nice. I'm trying to kind of go out of focus so you guys can see it sparkles. I mean, by eye, first impressions, it doesn't look too icy at all. Like, I guess that's just how the lighting is right now though too, because my watch doesn't. So that's, I guess, a good comparison, because the watch normally is bussin', right? So yeah, I'm sure in different lighting situation. You know what? I'll throw up a flash test for you guys.
Here we go, guys. It's hard to show you guys the actual quality. Compare it to the watch, if you guys know what the watch looks like. It's bussin', trust me, both are. Anyways, that's that. If you guys are planning on buying anything or even browsing ShopGLD's website, it would help me out a lot if you click my link in the bottom, and it'll bring you to their website.
The quality looks pretty dang good. It's crazy because they even jammed a CZ in the smallest crevice on there, between the S and the H on cash. You guys are not gonna see that, but in between there, I'm trying, guys. Let's try to incorporate another light and see what we can do. Hold on. You see that? It does not want to focus, but right between the S and the H on there, they have a CZ jammed up, and it's not all the way towards the bottom, like it's actually kind of near the top. Actually, looking at this by light with the with my flashlight on it, it's actually busting pretty good, just like the watch. So that's a comparison for you guys. And I mean, it looks pretty good. The only thing I am missing is we're missing stuff here. So we're missing the 2 chains. I think, oh, there it is, look at that. You just scoop it out. So here we go. There's the free chain. That's the micro tennis. You guys already know I'm not a fan of this chain. I already had one for free, so I tried to contact them and ask if I could get the white gold version, but that was a no, they said. That would have been cool. Maybe I would have rocked that one. I don't know. It personally, it looks a little on the darker side. This one doesn't actually look as bad as the one I have. But it's still like the cheap links nonetheless. And it'll get caught on everything, man. So I went with the 26-inch long, 3mm. Ooh, it's actually bent everywhere. Bent pretty bad. That kind of sucks. Right here and specifically. Like, I could feel how stiff it is, and I could literally feel that it's bent. Ooh, I just bent it back. Oh, over here, same thing. It's bent pretty good. You can feel it. It just feels weird in your hand. I'm assuming maybe because it was so long, it was, they were just trying to jam it in the box. I don't know. Anyways, let's throw that on there. That's the 26, 24. think that's the 26. That looks pretty dang long. I could probably throw that right over my head, to be honest. Let's compare it to this. We know that this is 26. It's less, so no. I don't know. It's hard to compare. All right, well there you go. There's the little card that he signed on. It's definitely a signature. That helps with like copyright. I honestly couldn't find this pendant anywhere with good quality. You got the cheap Amazon and DHK, like everybody, there's cheap ones online. They looked like garbage. So anyways, let's throw it on ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Let's try to not do it over the head. Right over the head. Sweet. There you go, guys. I mean, it doesn't look too bad linked up with everything else. So 26, I believe, 18, and then 24 prong set diamond, not the baguette. All right, well, yeah, I think it looks pretty decent. What would look really good is if you had the 26-inch chain, like the diamond prong. Actually, no, it doesn't work out. If you had like a 28, or this basically needs to be like right here. So I don't know, if you had like a 24, I would say 24 one of this, and then a 26-inch long diamond prong chain, it would fall like it would make a really nice set. If you guys can see what I'm trying to say, it would line up right there, because now it just hangs below it, right? So I would go for a 24 of this, and then yeah, 24 3mm tennis, and then get the 26-inch whatever you want, and it would fall nicely probably in between there, just like that. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.